So the Olight PLX is an absolute game changer when it comes to self-defense. And one of the things I like a lot about this is when you put this on your weapon, you can easily identify your target. And you have to do this, especially at night. You want to know exactly who you're shooting at, or specifically who it's going to be who is right there next to you. With this, you can just turn it on, and there is two different versions and variations for us to pick from. The first one is by turning this on. We have the regular mode, which is the spotlight, and we also have the one that we see right here, which is even better. This specific one just highlights everything, the entire field of vision. And then you can turn on the other one, which is the spotlight itself, the bottom one. The spotlight highlights exactly the point that you are aiming at. It is almost like a laser light, but even better because it doesn't blind whoever is looking at it. At the same exact time, it identifies your target or the area that you're going to be shooting at. Now, to make this thing even better, they added this awesome feature. By pressing both of them at the same exact time, you turn on the strobe mode. It is great to blind your attacker, or more of like blind anyone who is looking at it. Oh, this is an absolutely game changer. Not only that, it works on two different modes, the strobe mode or the one that goes all throughout mode. So we have two different modes, and yet you can switch them and turn this off with the flick of your finger. This is what makes it an absolute game changer. Another thing that makes it even better is that not only it is nice and lightweight that you're going to be using, the entire thing is made out of very nice metal. And to top it off, you don't have to go ahead and remove it when you're charging. There is a port right here, put in USB-C cable, and it charges the whole entire thing without you having to put this on and to take it off every single time, because it is totally annoying. So the Overhyped PLX is the next level when it comes to gun sights. This one is specifically really good because it can do three different things. The first one over here is very simple. You press this down, and this specific one is the one that showcases exactly where your enemy or your target actually is at. And then it strobes right into that entire area, and you can see exactly where he is. The second one is with the flip of the switch over here, you get the whole entire area brighten up. So you can see just about everything all combined. Now, what makes this even better is that it has a strobe mode over here that you can activate. But this strobe mode is amazing because at the flick of the switch, it changes between two different modes. One of which you see everything. The second one, you go ahead and focus directly on your target, and it blinds them by strobing at them. So this is just an amazing thing that you can have because it has three different modes. The price is just right. It is built like a tank. And best of all, you're going to go ahead and test this all out so you can see exactly why this thing is an amazing thing that you should get for yourself. So this is the Olight PLX Dual Beans 1 mission, max 1200 ohms with a flow of 300 meters. This is the box it comes with. It also comes with a more patch over here that you can go ahead and hang just about anywhere with a Velcro back to this. USB-C cable for you to go ahead and use to charge this up. The charger itself is easy located in this thing. And if you're wondering where it is, it's right about here. And you can stick it right there to charge it up. Next thing about this is the rail itself. So the rail is right here. You can go ahead and adjust this. To adjust this, we do have an Allen wrench that is included with the extras that are available. So you take this Allen wrench out, and we can go ahead and make this more tight, or we can use this in order for us to go ahead and adjust this as we are putting this right on our gun rail as well. So it's nice and dark over here, and we are going to be checking out and turning this on. So I mentioned you have your own weapon here, and you're trying to spot your target. You can see if you can spot it all the way up here. Let's say somebody trying to ambush you from the top of that tree. This one is great because you can identify somebody very far away. In fact, you can even see that tip of that tree all the way back there. Now, next thing over here, we can change the view around. And the next view is just a regular view. And turning this on, it's just a regular flashlight. It's almost as if it's a regular flashlight, but then you can see this darkness all around because it is a spotlight. It is a target spotlight. And then we have the buttons over here to go ahead and change the view around. So we go through this, we turn this on, and we decide what kind of light we want. But it is very, very strong. It's exceptionally strong, especially since we walk around here. Just wanted to show you how dark everything is and how bright it is when you turn this on. And the difference between the spotlight and the regular light is just night and day. Like over here we identify the target, then we can see everything around it, and then we focus the beam right on the target itself and we follow it throughout the tree. Imagine it climbing up on the tree as well, and we go ahead up on it and see where it goes, like Spider-Man power, or we can go and light up the whole entire surface too. This is very useful for this kind of stuff, and the light itself is absolutely powerful. It's very, very strong. You can see how this is lighting up like a Christmas tree. And then we do the spotlight, and now we go through this right at the top of this tree. Let me change the view around, and we go through this light instead, which is also very, very strong as well. And it's also great for walking around and seeing as you walk through. But then, hey, let's say for example there's a bad guy over here. Let's go ahead and identify where he is and where he's walking as well.